Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. Is your media creation tool isn't working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10? And Microsoft has officially confirmed this issue. And in this video, I will show you 200% working method to create a Windows bootable USB drive, even when the media creation tool fails. So let's start with what Microsoft said, and then we will fix it together. Microsoft has confirmed that Windows 11 Media Creation Tool version 26100 period 6584 released on September 29, 2025 might not work properly when used on Windows 10 version 22H2. This tool can close suddenly without showing any error message. Microsoft says that they are working on a fix in a future update. Alright, now let's move to the first quick method. Please note that you don't need any extra software for this. All these tools are already built in Windows. First, make sure your USB connected to your computer or laptop, and then go ahead, open Command Prompt as an administrator. In Command Prompt, please go ahead and type diskpad and press enter. This opens the disk management utility. Now go ahead and type list space disk. This will list down all your disks connected to your computer. Here, I can see the disk one, that is my USB drive. And the next command we want to type is select disk 1, that is my USB, and press enter. Now let's go ahead and type clean and then press enter. This will clean all the data from your USB. So make sure you don't have any important data. Then go ahead and type create partition primary to create the new partition. Now let's go ahead and type format space fs is equal to ntfs space quick. This will quickly format our USB drive using NTFS format file system. Okay, now type here assign. This will assign a new drive letter to your USB drive. You can see here it's assigned F here. And the last command we want to type is exit because we are done and we want to leave the disk part. Okay, now here I have Windows 11 ISO image. Let me double click on it, select all the files, copy them, and we want to go to USB root folder and paste them here. Once all the files are copied successfully into the USB, then our USB will be ready to install Windows 11 to any computer. If you are thinking how to get Windows 11 latest ISO file, just go to Microsoft official website using this link, scroll down, and here we have an option download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64-bit devices. You could go ahead, select your edition, and then confirm and download your Windows 11. If still you face problem in downloading Windows 11 on your computer, you could go ahead and watch the video mentioned in video description. Now all of the Windows required file has been copied to my USB root folder. Let's go ahead and verify if we got our USB bootable 100% correctly. Just remove USB from your laptop and here you go. We got our USB bootable for Windows 11 and it's ready for the installation of Windows into any PC. You know that we didn't use any media creation tool or a third party software to make this USB bootable. Now, if you are done here, that's fine. You don't need to watch this part of the video, but still, if you are not able to make a USB bootable, the next method we are going to watch here is Rufus software from official website. It's a small free tool used by millions of people to create bootable USB. Now, once you have downloaded this little software, just connect your USB, and after connecting your USB, you will see that it will appear here. Now the next step is boot selection. Just go ahead, click on the select button and select your Windows ISO. Now in the next step here you could change your ISO label. I set it Windows 11 ISO And now I'm ready to make my USB bootable. Let's click on start button. Now here the bonus tip for you. The first option, that is fine, selected remove requirement of 4 GB, but the second and third option is very important. I have selected here. If you select these two options while installation of the Windows, this will not ask you to set up the Microsoft online account. So this is up to you if you want to select it or no. And then click on OK again. Here it's giving us warning that all data on the device will be destroyed. That is fine. I want to proceed with it because I don't have any important data in my drive. Now here you could see the status of your USB, that is making your USB a bootable drive. So that's it. Your USB is now fully bootable. And remember, if you don't want to use any software or if tools like Media Creation Tool aren't working, the command prompt method I showed you earlier is the perfect solution. But if you prefer something quick and automatic, Rufus was like a charm. Either way, you got both options ready to go. Thank you for watching ITPK. See you in the next one.